Floral Tattoo Design Process for her first tattoo.
You could maybe make a little bit dangle down or whatever you wanted to do. You could make it come like this and then have it come down like this. You could do like another flower over here if you wanted. You know, you can make it go like that. You can make a little bit here, come down, and then however much down you want to see back here, then come down like longer, like a longer vine, so it's thinner. And this can all be super thin and like hollow in between everything, so you basically can determine how busy you want it to be. Wait till you see how crazy this shit comes out. Got a bunch of options here for us. That center, do you like all three of those?
Yeah.
Awesome. Damn, that'll make it. That's awesome. Okay, and then take out which other pieces? That's another of that piece. Do you like having two,
I like
or do you?
those.
Okay, me too. Let me take those out.
Yeah, that one.
I like that dark in the background.
Yeah.
You'll have that piece, that is that piece. I can do that and just take out some of that extra stuff, or I can do that and just take out.
I like that.
Yeah, I do too. It looks.
Damn, I like that a lot now.
Yeah,
That I almost
it
accidentally.
works really well.
Dude, that's tight.
I
Do you want
would
another?
say just add the leaves like right there, and then kind of put some of them on the back too.
The leaves from that other one that you liked?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. Right, so if this is the centerpiece of the whole concept,